Hi everyone. Hey, who doesn't love a little art book that you can sketch in or put little cards in? It's like easy to do, fun little art projects. But what if you wanted to give them away to somebody? I thought that might be a cute little greeting card to give somebody. And then I got this mailer in the mail, some travel brochure, and I thought, oh, look at that. Isn't that cute? It opens up to this folded piece. And I just thought it was really cute because you get a peek of the different travel destinations, I guess they are. I thought that was just really cute how it folded all up. So I thought, I can fold that. Let me try that. So if you're interested, we'll try folding that. So I made a little sample and I wrote out all my measurements so I didn't have to struggle through that. And I made it on a 12 by 12 piece of scrapbook paper. So you're already halfway there with the one side of it. So I'm going to go over and show you how to put this together. So I tore out a sheet of 12 by 12 scrapbook paper and I did all the measurements and stuff for you here. So first thing I did was measure from, it's pick your direction, however you want to go, but this side is the printed side, and one side you might find some scrapbook paper that's printed on both sides, which would be really cool too. I didn't have any that was 12 by 12. So I'm going to start with my first measurement, and it's going to be at the 3 1/8 mark. And I just put a little pencil mark at the 3 1/8. Then I'm going to put another pencil mark at 6 1/4 and another one at 9 1/8. And then I'm going to do the same on the top. 3 1/8, 6 1/4, and 9 1/8. Okay? So then I just take my ruler and my folder. I line up on these little notch marks that I made. Push hard. And give it a little score. Then you're going to flip your paper to the side. And I'm going to measure up 3 inches from the bottom. So 3 inches and make a little mark. And then 3 inches down here, make a little mark. And again, I'm going to take my scoring tool, make a little score. And then from the top, I'm going to measure 2 1/2 inches down and 2 1/2 inches down and make a score. Boom. Boom. Okay, so sometimes it's easier to see the score lines on the white side. So find your score line, give it a fold. Find your next score line, give it a fold. And find your next score line and give that a fold. And give it all a nice little seal of approval there. Same thing, fold up from the bottom, your 3 inch mark, down from the top at your 2 1/2 inch mark. So what you've got now is this cute little piece that you can fold completely up. Okay, and I thought about what size envelope. So this fits in a 7-inch envelope, and this one is 5 1/4, but you could go 4 easily, and you can just stick it right in there and mail it as a card. But the great thing about this is we can insert little watercolor cards in here. So I cut up some watercolor paper, stuck it in here, and these are each 2.5 inches wide by 6 inches tall, and they fit snugly kind of in there. Fold that up. You could write a message, happy birthday, love Nancy, on those, and then draw on the rest of them. But these little watercolor cards kind of fold up all into this little packet and into your envelope. So super cute idea, and you can go about and decorate them and paint your watercolors. Maybe that's the gift, is you painted 3 little pieces of art to give to the person you're giving it to, or maybe just keep it yourself, whichever. All right, that's it for today. If you want to, I'm sure you could glue another piece of scrapbook paper right over the top of it if you have 2 the same or 2 different. Use your creativity. That's what I'm gonna do to these. I'm gonna send this to my girlfriend who's got a birthday coming up. All right, thanks a lot. Thanks for watching. I'm Nancy Buckingham. Subscribe or like this video. Thanks.